You are welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you how you can create your book cover. And you are going to go to canva.com. You can see it here, canva.com. Then you are going to sign in. I want to sign it with my Facebook. Okay, so I am now signing with my Facebook. Okay, now we are looking for book cover. Let's type book cover. Okay, so these are different types of book cover. Assuming I want to use this template, so I'm going to pick that. Okay, so this is the template I want to use, and I can edit it. You can spend time to work on it to your own taste. Let's say I want to write something like affiliate marketing for beginner. For a beginner. Okay, I don't want this, so I'm going to delete that. Then here I am going to edit it and just add my name. I'm just going to add my name, simple. I just want it to be simple. Okay, so I'm going to centralize it. Okay, it's central. Then I want to increase the size. Let it be bolder. And let me try whether I can make it bold. Okay, it's bold now. All right, then this one I want to make it center. Okay, so it's center now. This I can bring it here. It adds some aesthetic. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. This is just for illustration. So if you are done, you are going to hit download, and you can use PNG, and you are going to hit download. Okay, so it has downloaded. Let's look for it. Okay, so I'm going to rename it so that affiliate marketing for beginner. Okay, so this is it here. Now the cover has been created. So what I'm going to do now to create the mockup, let me close this one. To create as in 3D, I am going to go to dibookcovers.com. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to leave this link. So you click on it and you press enter. Okay, so you are going to go to 3D mockup. All right, so this is it. Now you can select the template you want. These are single if you just want it a single, but if you want it to be composite, that is to be in bunch. You can select any of these. Let's say I want to use something like this. I'll pick it, then I'll go to next, then I'm going to upload. I am going to go to the folder I save it in. I'm going to open it, then I'm going to hit upload, then wait for it to load. Okay, so it has loaded already. All right, so I'm going to go to next, then you can see, let me hit on this mark. Okay, so I'm going to hit on download. This is where I'm going to download it, and I'm going to click on PNG so that it will not have background. And once you click on it, you wait for it small, it will download. Okay, so it has downloaded already. So I'm going to go and see it. You can see it here. You can see how beautiful it is. So as simple as that. So this is what you are going to be using to sell your ebook now. You now have a book cover, very beautiful one. If you have a laptop and you have Photoshop, then you can work on it further. But if you don't have a laptop, then you may use it like this. But if you have a laptop, then you can open it with Photoshop. I'm going to open it with Photoshop so that I will crop all the unnecessary areas that I don't want. So this is the Photoshop. So I'm going to select, no, I'm going to use, I want to crop it. So I'm going to click on crop, and I'm going to drag it. I want to crop off unnecessary parts that I don't want. Okay, so this is okay. So I'm going to mark it. Then I'm going to go to file, export as PNG so that it will not have background. I don't want it to have background. Then I'm going to save it as affiliate marketing for beginner cover. So I'm going to save it. It's now saved. Okay, so let me okay, let me go to, okay, this is the cropped version now. I think this look much more better. Okay, so that is how we create book cover. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Alright, if you have any question, let me know your question. Bye. See you in the next video.